This is my 1970 Dodge Charger that I swapped a 2015 Mustang Coyote motor into years ago. Right here is a 6-speed manual transmission out of a 2016 Mustang. Will I be able to make a custom transmission tunnel? What's up, guys? So today we're back at it. We're going to finish up the transmission tunnel. Here's a piece I've already carved out. Need to cut and finish shaping it, but this is just the general outlay of it. We've got a couple of things we're going to trim up here, here, maybe over here, and a little bit here. And once you get all said and done, I do have this fully hooked up again. So it's bolted up. It can all be done from underneath. Makes it a little bit easier, like a typical Mustang. I just liked doing it up top. I unfortunately don't think I'm able to keep that. But trying to redesign this for the 70 Charger to make it work cohesively, I think I've got this figured out. So it's gonna be a work in progress. Let's see it on camera. Quick little aerial check up here. You can see the panel's been shaping it. Take it, we're gonna tuck it in. I'm kind of gonna take it under this layer and fold it in. And with one hand, fits perfectly. That is seamless. A little bit of gap there, so I lie. But either way, shaping up to look pretty good. Burn it in. Guys, shifter is done. That is very hot, but that is basically the conclusion of this. I got probably one more video to do for this, but we're gonna end up doing a top creation part that can bolt on and off, so that's gonna be exciting. Stick around.